Let's see how we make this Muppet today, but using a card paper. You could also use cereal boxes to make this, and it's fun to use and easy to make. So let's begin. The materials that you need for this is Fevicol, stapler pins, Fevibond or rubber adhesive, scissors, bottle caps, and some card paper. You could use any kind of cereal boxes also for these. So let's begin. Here I have a sheet of my cereal box. What I'm doing now is I'm first folding it in half. I need to place my finger in such a way that all my 4 fingers are nicely covered on this paper. Don't keep your finger like this or even like this. Keep it like this. Leave another 1 to 1.5 fingers at the sides and draw a circle. Like this. Now this becomes your mouth plate. That's why this finger measurement is very important. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into half. Like this. Now take another cereal box. Place both the mouth plates in such a way that there is around 1.5 inch space between. See that they are in a straight line and not here and there, otherwise your Muppet mouth will not fit well. Once this is done, you could trace any one of them if you wish to, and the other could just be a line like this. After tracing out this mouth plate, what we need to do is we need to fold on this line like this. Okay, and then on the other line we are supposed to fold like this. Now place the mouth plate on the other side. Once you're done with this, you are supposed to join these. Let's cut this out. So this is my structure. Now what I'm supposed to do here, this part, the middle part, just soften it a bit. So the base of your mouth is ready. Now we are supposed to fix another plate here so that we are able to control the mouth. Staple the end first, but don't staple too much, like this. Once you're done with this, you can staple one here, another here, and maybe 2 more, one here and another here. Now the bottom. For this I take the other half and I staple it in the similar fashion. I'm done stapling this. Now you'll see if I put my 4 fingers on top, it fits quite well, quite snugly. That's how it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be loose or too tight. And then when I put my thumb inside, my thumb also fits pretty well. Now our next job is to give it a structure here, so that we can make the eyes and the hair, we can give it a shape out here. Now you need strips of cardboard here. Next, I cut a strip of a cardboard, say around 1.5 to 2 centimeters, and I first put a strip this way and another strip this way to create the base of the head. So once you're done with this part of the structure, the next I'm going to do this part. Again, this is another 1.5 centimeter strip, which I'm going to staple here, and I'm going to staple here. I'm going to staple in such a way that they both are touching each other. So the basic framework of the head is ready. Now the next thing to do is we need to keep putting strips like these to cover it up completely. So the next I'm going to do is I'm going to fix one here. Now once you have stapled this here, take the other strip and staple it on the other side like this. Next, keep stapling in this way till the time you cover the complete area. Once you've finished stapling this much, we are now supposed to take this like this and fix it on the other side, cross. Now when we are doing this, be careful to keep the shape of the head. Don't push it too ahead, keep it too bulged like this. See that you keep the shape of the head. Slightly stapled so that it has a shape, and by the time you're fixing it out here, everything is set. Similarly for the other one, I take the other side. Like this. Now once you have fixed this part and you put a stapler here, and now you're going to go here, the back part. This is the part where your hand is going to go inside, like this. So it would be a good idea not to staple the back, otherwise your pins are going to hurt you. This is the time where I would advise you use Fevicol. Add Fevicol very liberally, like this. Let this dry well. So now when I slide my hand inside, it's given me a basic structure. Next, I'll be fixing 2 eyes here. I have 2 bottle caps here. Now I have added a few elements out here after I finished making it. Like I put a foam sheet. You could also put a paper and make a mouth. Added some wool for the hair and a cloth as a scarf, and I turned this into an old woman. So now my puppet is ready to talk.
Hello everybody. So when are you going to make a puppet like me? Huh?